Green and yellow are the colors that have caused even more problems between the People's Progressive Party Civic and the governing A Partnership for National Unity Alliance for Change. This time, the drama has descended closer to the grassroots level at the Regional Democratic Council of Region 5. General Secretary of the PPP Civic, Clement Rohi, explains.
The spurious explanation offered for this despicable behavior at statutory meetings of the RDC is given as, quote-unquote, disrespect towards President Granger. As regards the function, the Hanover green and yellow party painted buses to supporters of the AFC in that region.
Rohi told a news conference held at Freedom House earlier today that the PPP Civic will support the stance of the regional chairman in the argument against the coalition councilors, even though the man refused to apologize for the things he too was guilty of saying.
The PPP supports fully and unequivocally the stand of the regional chairman that he was never ever formally invited to the function, and therefore there is no need to apologize to anyone.
The PPP leader did not hesitate to bash the council either.
The uncouth behavior and bad manners of the Little Caesars in those regions controlled by the PPPC is now becoming a pattern across the country and is manifested in the behavior of some REOs and councillors.
Rohi's complaints have come just after his party's chief whip was criticized for challenging the speaker while in the highest meeting of the land, that is, the National Assembly. Basil?